Alright everyone, so in this lesson I'm going to be talking about why most people fail. And now the reason that I'm putting this right in the introduction is not to demotivate you guys, it's actually to help you avoid falling into the same pitfalls that most people do when they go into the online business world, especially dropshipping and e-commerce. Now, a common estimate is that 95% of dropshippers fail within their first year. Now, I would even go as far to say that 95% of dropshippers fail within their first 3 to 4 months. And there's a bunch of reasons why that is, but I think it really comes down to two main reasons. So number one is the amount of competition and the lack of differentiation between dropshippers. So this is a Google Trends graph, and as you can see, dropshipping has been really taken off in terms of search interest. So a lot of people are searching about dropshipping, they want to start their own dropshipping business, and since most dropshippers advertise on social media, the result is that social media is getting saturated with these dropshipping ads, and people are seeing a lot of them. And basically, you have all these different stores competing to get, smaller and smaller pieces of the pie. Now, everyone who's doing this is all pretty much doing the same thing, right? Because information is easily accessible. You have people teaching on YouTube, you have a lot of blogs, and pretty much everyone's teaching the same thing, which is just make a general store, test a bunch of products. Once you find something that works, scale it. And so that's what everyone's doing. And so you're seeing these storms of general stores all over the place, and there's no differentiation between dropshippers. Everyone's kind of testing the same fun, quirky products, and everyone's doing the same thing. And so I think that's the number one reason why people fail. Now, number two is just as important, if not more important, and it's that most people come into the dropshipping and e-commerce space with unrealistic expectations, and they have no winning mindset in place. So let me elaborate on what I mean. So most people come into this space not because they're interested in e-commerce or they've been interested in online business for a long time. The reason why they get into this space is because they've seen an ad from some guy telling them that they can make $100K in their first month. Or someone had a video with like a Lamborghini saying that they bought this Lamborghini with dropshipping. The point is that a lot of people are getting unrealistic expectations for what they can accomplish with dropshipping and e-commerce in like a short period of time, right? I'm not saying that it's impossible to buy a Lamborghini with e-commerce, because it definitely is possible. I don't know why you would want to do that, but it is possible, and it just takes time, right? People expect success to happen a lot faster than it usually does, and they get disappointed. So if you come in with unrealistic expectations and no winning mindset in place, you're going to get discouraged when you don't reach those unrealistic goals fast enough, and then you're going to quit. So make sure that this isn't you. Make sure that you have realistic expectations and that you can have a winning mindset. And now the whole next section of this course is going to be about mindset. And I think this is extremely important, so I would recommend that you don't skip this module. A lot of people are probably going to skip it because they think that's boring, and I understand, but having a winning mindset is key. And I can safely say that having a winning mindset has really helped me succeed in online business, and it was one of the major factors in my success. So keep that in mind. I really hope that you guys watch the mindset module of the course, because it's going to be really important.